Today we are going to talk about how you can present your civilization project. First, you're going to start with a title slide. All you're going to do is put the name of your civilization and then who it's by, which is you. First way you can present. You're going to have 2 slides per topic if you choose this way. The first slide is just going to be information. You can see here we have the topic up top so everyone can see it, and then we have bullet points with information. We don't have pictures, we don't have videos, it's just the information on this slide. You are going to want to focus on making your bullet points nice and short, and then you'll expand on each of the bullet points when you present. So you would have notes on location, you would have notes on bordering neighbors. When you're presenting, you'll say, here's the location, and then you'll expand on it. Why you chose that location, why you think that's a great location to be in with your civilization, and you'll do that for each of the bullet points. You can see how we have nice, even spacing. It's easy to read, it's clear, it's very viewer-friendly. Once you've gone over each of your bullet points for that topic, then you can show the pictures. I would say 3 to 4 pictures at most, depending how large the photos are. Just make sure it looks nice and clean, nice and organized. And then just like you did with your bullet points, you're going to expand on the pictures, meaning you're going to give a description of why you chose the picture, what it represents for that topic, and then just go through picture by picture giving that information. So that's the first way you can present your ancient civilization. The second way, very similar, but you're just going to have both the picture and the information on one slide. You have the topic clear up top, just like the first way. Then we have bullet points. You'll notice we have half the bullet points than we did on the other one because there's a photo. You might have to use more slides if you choose this way, but that's not a problem. Again, you're going to go through, you're going to expand, give us more information about each of the bullet points. You do not want to sit there and type out paragraphs. No one wants to read sentences strung together or paragraphs on a slide. You want to make it where the viewer is interested and they are focused on learning about the topic and not trying to read and catch up and not get behind. So you have your topic, you have your bullet point, bullet point, bullet point. You're going to expand on all that information. And then just like the other way, you're going to talk about why you chose that picture, what it means to the civilization or that certain topic. And you can have, I'd say, 2 to 3 pictures if you want. But if you just want to pick one, that looks fine too. And that is how you're going to present your ancient civilization project.